Hi Drastic Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a Dunkin Donuts inspired cup of coffee and a donut. So let's get started. To draw this cute couple, we're going to first start by drawing the cup of coffee. So I'm going to come right here and draw an oval. So go right here. I'm going to start my oval. So I like to start with the side curve and then bring it across. It's a nice big cup of coffee. So, but right there, we're going to keep coming over. And then we just get right here, we're going to curve it in again. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom. There, got oval in. And so then from there, we're going to draw, come right here and draw a slant for our cup of coffee right here. So let's come down on both sides. So about right there. Come down a little bit more. Now it's pretty even. We're going to go ahead and just follow this curve. So I'm basically drawing the Dunkin Donuts logo right here, which is a cup of coffee. And then let's come back up here. We're going to draw a curve going the other way. So we're just going to follow the top. All the way across. There. So then let's come down more to create our cup. So we're just following this, but I'm going to come in a little bit. So same thing on this side. So just bring it in a little bit. And we're going to bring it all the way down. So it's up to you how tall you want to make your cup. So, right. About right there, I'll stop and I'm going to start to bring it in. So same thing on both sides. And connect it with a curve at the bottom. There, we got our cup in. Okay, so then from there, let's come up here. We're going to draw some of that, the steam that's coming up. So towards the center, about right here, I'll start with the smaller one. Just going to go up and curve. And we're going to do the same thing over here, but going the opposite way. So this one's going to be a little bit taller. It's going to go up all the way and curve. There, nice and hot, right? And then let's come in this area. We're going to bring this cup of coffee to life. So I'm just going to draw the Dunkin Donuts D and D, the logo right here. So I'm going to come about right here in this area and draw two bubble D's. So about right there. I'm going to come in here, follow my outside. And same thing over here. I'm trying to make them about the same size, so. And same thing inside. There. So I decided to make this D and D here with some eyes, so just make it really cute. So I'm gonna come right under here. Hopefully you like how this looks. And I'm gonna draw a little smirk smile and cap it off. There. Okay, so then now let's come over here and draw the donut. I'm going to come right next to our cup of coffee and I'm just going to start, say about right here. And I'm just going to wing a circle, so a big circle. So I'm not using a template because I don't want it to be perfect. It's just a big old donut. So the big doughy kind, right? So I'm just going to come around. So I'm going to end about in this area so I can still give my donut some feet. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. So as long as it still looks like a circle, it's good enough. There. Okay, so then let's come in the center and I'm going to draw the hole. So about right here. There. Okay, so then from there, let's Let's bring our donut to life first. Oh wait, hold on. I forgot. Let's do this first. Let's add a little bow right here, just on this corner. If you wanted to make the donut a girl, I'm just gonna add a little bow right here. Very simple little bow. And then now I'm gonna go and wiggle all the way around my donut. So you can make your donut whatever kind is your favorite. But I think the pink sprinkle ones are very famous, right, for Dunkin' Donuts? I hope I'm right. So they're waved all the way around. And then let's bring this donut to life. So in this bottom area right here, I'm going to start right here and draw a curve for some very happy eyes. And same thing over here. I'm just going to go in and darken it. There, and then right in the bottom right here, just a sweet little smile and cap it off. Then up here, just draw a little curve right here for on top of the eyes. And then from there, we can go ahead and add some sprinkles, whatever you want. So I'm just going to randomly add some sprinkles going in different directions. There, okay, I think I have enough. I better stop. Wait, hold on. One more here. There, okay, now I've had enough before I get carried away. Okay, then let's make this donut extra cute. So let's have them hold hands. So I'm gonna say about right here. I'm gonna bring a curve down. And so then the other hand will be right here for the donut, and let's have them meet. And then just go ahead and thicken the ends. And so for this other hand, we're going to go across about right here. Let's just have on the coffee cup's hip. And then on the other hand of the donut, let's come about right here. And we're just going to have her waving. There. And then let's give her some feet. So come right here. And we just want to make sure it's about the same level. So about right there, I'm going to go ahead and thicken the bottom. And let's see here. Last but not least, I almost forgot, let's add a little heart right here on my cup of Dunkin' Donuts coffee. And that's pretty much it. Hope you love this cute little couple right here and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved it, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.